I just paid $330 for 8 nights at an Airbnb in Bangkok. That's $41 a night. Let me show you what that gets you. This is the lobby for our Airbnb. It's got a bar right through the middle. Lots of lounge chairs throughout. Very nice modern finishes. It's got water over here. We see all these lounge chairs. It's even got like a mini cafe and bakery over here. And it's got outdoor lounge seating here as well. And then if you go outside, you can go here and they have multiple bars and restaurants. They've got about 8 bars and restaurants. So you see we've got ramen, sushi, and they've even got, I think, a Chinese spot. And there's a Lawson's over there as well. I've got to catch my grab, so I gotta walk outside now, but this is basically the setup here at the Airbnb. And this is how it looks when you come outside. This is the front door, and then here, this is the bathroom. You got a nice declining sink right there. Full mirrors all around. Got a toilet, of course. A bathtub. And a shower. And then you've got your kitchen area. It's got a microwave, pots and pans, sink. And we've got a mini fridge there. Looks like there's a sliding door. So I guess this door can slide out if you need it to. I don't see why that would be fully necessary. Here are your cups, plates. And again, the mini fridge. And this is the living room. You got a nice sofa here. Coffee table and chair. You got a TV right here. And a little place here where you could eat and have dinner. And check out the view. Beautiful view. And you see the windows are pretty big here. It's taking up most of the wall. And you've got some curtains here. You also got a nice AC. Right now it's about 95 degrees out in Bangkok, so it's definitely needed. You got a nice little balcony here, sliding door. You've got a washer with a drying rack. I don't think that washer has a dryer on it. But this is the view. This neighboring hotel looks like the Siamese Rama. I think we're at the landmark at MRT. And I apologize if I get that wrong. I don't have the exact name off the top of my head. But it's a pretty nice view here. I guess this is one side of Bangkok. You got the freeway down here. And let me show you the upstairs bedroom. Really quickly, if you're new here, my name is CJ. I post about 2 long-form videos on YouTube each week on Da Nang, Vietnam. But every now and then, if you're in Da Nang, you might be able to easily travel, to Thailand or China or Japan or wherever it may be. So right now, at the moment, we're in Bangkok, Thailand. So if you get any value from this video, or you want to see more videos or travel content just like this, or for digital nomads and expats, please give me a subscription. Click that red button down below. I'd greatly appreciate the follow. Thanks. And if you're not interested in following, if you don't think you're going to be tuning into Da Nang content, just give me a like or comment. I greatly appreciate that as well. Thanks. And these are the stairs that lead up to the top floor bedroom. Okay, and this is the bedroom here. Got a little seat here to put your luggage. You got a nightstand with some outlets. I think, what does this do? Oh, you could adjust the light settings here. So, nice queen size bed. You've got a closet here. And it looks like you've got a safe on this other side. Closet, this is a mirror. You got a little safe and drawer right there. TV. Some AC. And a desk right there. So that's the tour. If you're interested in seeing more content on Da Nang or Thailand or any Southeast Asian countries, feel free, give me a follow or subscription on YouTube. I'd greatly appreciate it. If not, totally appreciate it. Like or comment below. Let me know what city you think I should check out next. Peace.